Welcome! I'm Vivian from the ArcGIS Maps SDK team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display a map by using ArcGIS Maps SDK for Swift and ArcGIS Location Services. Before you get started, you'll need an ArcGIS account and have Xcode installed. If you need help, please see the links in the video description. To get started, I need to create a new iOS app project in Xcode. I give the project a name and leave all other options unchecked. Lastly, I choose a location to save the project. Next, I need to add ArcGIS Maps SDK for Swift to my project. First, I select the project in the Project Navigator. Then, I go to the Package Dependencies tab and click the plus sign to open the Swift Package Manager. Now I add the link to the Swift package in the text box at the top right corner. The dependency role has already been set to indicate the version I'm interested in, so I'll leave it as is. Finally, I click Add Package to complete the process. That's it! My app is now set up with ArcGIS Maps SDK for Swift, and I'm ready to start coding. Next, I'm signed into my portal with my ArcGIS Location Platform account, so I can create developer credentials. This application uses ArcGIS Base Map Style service to display the map. To access the service, you need an ArcGIS Location Platform or ArcGIS Online account, so you can create an API key credential to get an access token. I make sure that the Location Services Base Map Style service privilege is enabled. For step-by-step instructions to create an API key, see the links in the video description. Now that the access token has been created for my API key, I can copy it to my clipboard so I can use it in the next step. Back in my Xcode project, I go to the Display a Map app Swift file. I add an import statement to reference the API. Now that I've imported ArcGIS, I need to differentiate between a Swift UI scene and an ArcGIS scene to clear these error messages. I then set the ArcGIS Environment API Key property with the access token that I just created. Now I'm ready to create a map. In the Content View Swift file, I remove some of the default code and import the API. In the Content View struct, I create a variable named map that has a state property wrapper. Next, I create a map object with the ArcGIS topographic base map style. Then, I set the map's initial viewpoint property with the coordinates of the Santa Monica Mountains in California. Lastly, I return the map's value. Now I need to add a map view to display the map. A map view is a UI component that displays a map. It also handles user interactions with the map, including navigating with touch gestures. In the body, I first remove the default code and then create a map view using the previously created map. Lastly, I select the Display a Map app Swift file. In the body, I add the Ignore Safe Area modifier to Content View with the top and horizontal edges specified. This ensures that the map view display is extended to all edges except the bottom. Now I'm ready to run the app and display the map. Here's my map with the ArcGIS Base Map Style service displaying the topographic style centered on the Santa Monica Mountains in California. I can pan, rotate, and zoom in and out on the map view to explore the map. Thanks for joining me. If you want step-by-step instructions to build this app, please visit the tutorial in ArcGIS Maps SDK for Swift documentation, linked in the description below. To learn more about building mapping apps with Swift and ArcGIS, please visit our developer's website. Thanks for watching!